Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Summer FabFitFun unboxing. Very excited for this. It's one of my favorite subscriptions just because you get a really good value for what you pay for it. And I do have a promo code I'll put below if you want to save money off your first subscription. So they always give you a magazine of some sort to kind of go over stuff in the box. There is a little bit of a variety, and if you sign up for a yearly thing, you can pick and choose some of your items, which is really awesome. So you get that. Coupon codes on top, Bright Sellers, Our Place, and Green Chef. And this seems really small for what normally comes in their boxes, but I'm thinking there's expensive stuff in here maybe, and that's why there's not as many goodies. We'll take a look. So the first item is by Spongel, and this is hand cream and the scent Coconut Verbena. It says it's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. I bet that smells really good. Yeah, it does have a light coconut smell. So that's item number one. And yes, I think I picked this one. I think this was one of the options. It's a Michael Kors passport holder, I believe. Isn't that cute? I used to have a purse just like that. Yeah, that's nice. You can have several different pockets here. Very cute and probably very expensive. I'll have to look through the brochure. That normally tells you in here how much this stuff is worth. So I just looked, and this retails for $78. So yeah, that's pretty expensive. So the box values range from like $225 to $477, it says. So pretty wide variety. Next up we have from Grace and Stella, Say Hi to Hydration. This is a hydrating serum. That is full size. Also have some foot cream. I could definitely use that. And Sicilian blood oranges is the scent. Yeah, that smells really good too. Definitely smells like oranges. The next item, I think I picked this too, perhaps. It's from Winky Lux. It's a universal brow pencil. Definitely fill in my eyebrows, so we'll get some use out of that. I've never tried that brand, so that will be fun. And I feel like every summer box does come with some kind of sunscreen. I think it was Coola last year as well. So this is organic, or mostly organic, 30 SPF, and it's for your face with a matte finish, and it's not greasy. Love that. All useful items so far. Next from Dr. Brandt DNA. This is a triple peptide eye cream. Very nice. And I think this is the last one. This is a satin pillow sleeve. They claim satin pillowcases prevent wrinkles. So I do have one. I like it a lot. I feel like, yeah, I don't really see lines in my faces when I wake up. Like I used to before, so I like it and like having an extra one. So this is just a pillow sleeve to put over it. So yeah, that's what came in my box. Lots of goodies, all stuff I will definitely use, so love this subscription. Like I said, if you guys want to join, I have a promo code below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.